had the good fortune to work with AW now for about 6-7 years. This is very unique to AW, and I believe the industry as a whole. I believe it's the dedication to the customer, the dedication and the quality of work that they provide. That for us stands out from what we see else in the industry. And I believe it's the good brand that AW have been able to build over the last few years. It supports the LV values very, very well.
Working in partnership with LV, that's fantastic for us, for a brand and for our customers. Many other of our competitors, for example, customers will go into a repair shop which doesn't have any element of dual branding. So I think customers can feel at times that they're almost handed off into a different process. That doesn't happen here.
I think that they think that if this body shop that I'm going to is dual branded with my insurance company, they must be very good. They must be very well thought of. My insurance company is sending me to the right place. Confidence.
Joined AW Repair Group in December 2010 as parts, working my way up from parts to vehicle damage assessor and now to branch manager as well. Not only is this my first branch manager position, but for it to be a Solus repairer for LV and for me to be entrusted with that responsibility to make sure things are right, to make sure LV are happy with everything that's happening, it's a great feeling.